Not everyone who smiles at you wants to see you win. Here are 5 psychological truths that prove someone secretly envies your life. A friend who praises you too loudly in public is often shielding their silent hatred. Pay attention to over-the-top compliments that feel forced. True support is quiet. Hidden envy is theatrical. The envious mind will always try to turn your hard work into mere luck. When you share a big win, a jealous person will immediately bring up a flaw or downplay your achievement to protect their own ego. Imitation is not always flattery. Sometimes it is a desperate attempt to replace you. If a friend quietly starts copying your style, your habits, or the way you speak, they don't admire you, they want what you have. The face can lie for a minute, but a micro-expression never tells a falsehood. Watch their face the exact second you share good news. A split-second frown before a fake smile reveals total internal resentment. A fake friend loves you most when you are failing. If someone suddenly becomes incredibly helpful and comforting only when your life is falling apart, they feed on your downfalls to feel superior. Never forget, a snake will always shed its skin, but it remains a snake. Do not lower your guard just because a toxic person changes their tone. Protect your peace, hide your next big move, and let your silence be the ultimate response to their quiet envy.